In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mirror an image here in Canva. Now, this is incredibly easy to do. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can mirror an image, and I am going to cover that as well. But once that you have your image like this, all we want to do is copy and paste the image. Then if we put it underneath like so, all we have to do is come up to this flip option just here. If we click on there and flip vertically, we now have that image mirrored. So that's one way that you can mirror an image here in Canva, but it all kind of depends on what effect you're after. So if we delete this, let's bring this down. If we copy this again and put it to the side, we can then mirror this image again by coming up to flip and flip horizontally. So there we go. Now that image has been flipped as well, and we can also do it for the other side. So let's take this, just make that a bit smaller. Let's take the image, we're going to copy, paste it, put it to the right, and then we can come up to flip image again, and then flip horizontally, and now we have our mirrored image. So as you can see, it's incredibly easy to mirror an image here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.